Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here at 4. I'm Kevin Nathan.
And I'm Amber Diaz. We begin today with a verdict in a high-profile murder case.
A jury of 12 people finding Jose Morales guilty after about 3.5 hours of deliberations. The 48-year-old found guilty of murder and tampering with evidence in the brutal killing of his girlfriend, Christine Holloway.
She was found beaten to death in December of 2019. The couple's daughter, Vanessa Morales, has been missing ever since. NBC Connecticut's Jennifer Cuevas has been following this trial since it began 2 weeks ago. She joins us now live outside Milford, Superior Court with the latest.
Kevin, Amber, it was an extremely emotional day for the family of Christine Holloway. After more than 5 years, they can now finally start to get some closure in this chapter, although unfortunately, we did not get any new information regarding Vanessa Morales. But as for those jury deliberations, they did not take very much time between yesterday and today. Take a listen.
How do you find the defendant as to the crime of murder?
Guilty.
In the case of the state of Connecticut versus 48-year-old Jose Morales, the jury handed down a guilty verdict on both charges.
Of the Connecticut general statutes, how do you find the defendant as to the crime of tampering with physical evidence? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
The defendant appeared to be praying as each juror announced their decision before the court-martial is seen handcuffing Morales. The jury began deliberating on Monday afternoon, with Judge Shari Murphy providing specific instructions.
Proof beyond a reasonable doubt is proof that precludes every reasonable hypothesis except guilt and is inconsistent with any other rational conclusion.
By noon on Tuesday, the verdict had been reached. Senior Assistant State's Attorney Howard Stein providing a brief comment outside of the courthouse.
On behalf of the Holloway family, I want to thank the jury in this case for the time, the effort that they took from their personal lives to sit through this trial.
Attorney Stein hinted to the possibility of the public learning more about Morales' missing daughter, Vanessa, in the months to come.
As well as the Ansonia Police Department as they discuss, any additional developments that could possibly arise out of this verdict with regard to Vanessa Morales.
Now, that sentencing hearing is scheduled for July 8th here at the Milford Superior Courthouse. Morales faces the possibility of up to 65 years in prison, and today there were no families in the courtroom here on his behalf. Reporting live in Milford, Jennifer Cuevas, NBC Connecticut News. Back to you guys.